This brown kind of copper color has been trending in the human hair streets, but we got a synthetic wig option. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today I am reviewing a wig for you guys of this trendy hair color. Y'all know y'all be seeing this color. Y'all have been seeing this color. This is this reddish brown copper color that all the girls on YouTube have been slaying, but it's a synthetic option. I'm going to give you guys a little bit more of an affordable option of this color and tell you guys what I think about this wig. So this wig was sent over by Gorgius Wigs. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate you guys. But if you want to hear how I feel about this wig and how we get the looks on a budget, stay tuned. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me if you like content like this. I do a lot of hair content on this channel and I do a little bit of skincare. Hit that subscribe button because you're going to come back and let's jump into it.
So just a little unboxing. This is what the package looks like. You're going to get a bag to hold your wig and a few extra goodies. We love goodies to get us started with these wigs. It's always a plus. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out the package. It's this nice pretty reddish brown color. I'll get into that more later, and this is what it's looking like. It comes with this T-part lace, a few combs in the front and one in the back. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I went in and I'll customize the hairline just a little bit. Y'all know me, I had to go in and pluck it just a little bit. These are the tools that I use to accomplish that. I'm going fast in this video, but I do have a separate tutorial where I show you exactly how to pluck the wig if you're interested, and this is what it's looking like after. You don't have to do this. I just was being a little extra, and this is the hair that I got. So let's install this wig. So putting this wig on, I really was impressed with the color. I was a little bit hesitant at first, but I'll tell you guys about that later. The fibers on this wig did make it easy to brush out, but I mean, again, it is synthetic, so I did go in with a little extra synthetic wig tools, and I was just impressed with this wig. I was feeling myself. Can y'all tell? The lace was matching. I didn't even match this lace yet. Come on now. So everything was looking like a plus. I'm just cutting off the lace now, and you could go in glueless if you like, but me, I like to secure my wigs just a little extra. I'm using some bedhead in the front. I don't know, I think I was just grabbing any adhesive spray. This is just a temporary adhesive spray. It is not a permanent spray. It just lasts about a day, and I'm melting in that lace. Y'all, that melt. I'm telling y'all, I was really feeling myself. So you can cut your lace before you put it on or after. The front, I don't know why I just did the front like that, but the sides I did cut it off, and I'm installing the sides after I cut off the lace. So I go in with that bowl hold liquid gel. Again, this is all temporary adhesives, and I really do like the way that bowl hold secures my lace on the sides, because sometimes the air tabs be coming up, but just extra security, you know, like a little seat belt. I went in with this Headbands spray. Don't ask me why I didn't use the bed head. I just be using whatever adhesive I see. So then I did the sides off camera, and we're just going to melt this lace a little extra using this melting band. I'll leave links in my description box under Wig Essentials where you can purchase all of these products to help secure your lace. So yeah, I was really feeling this wig. It's so cute. So now I'm just gonna break up some of that adhesive in the front so it doesn't look as cakey. That's the bad part about Headbands. Sometimes you just kind of have to break it up a little bit, but it's fine. It's a really good security. And I'm putting a little bit of baby hairs in the front. This is all personal preference. You do not have to do this. Again, everything is linked in my bio under Wig Essentials for anything that I'm using in this video. It just was coming together so nice. So this is my powder for my complexion. Use whatever you want to use to match the lace some more. And now I'm going in with my synthetic wig products just to kind of brush it out. This really helps with just kind of gliding your fingers through the wig so it doesn't get as tangly. Some synthetic wig spray and some sort of silicone product. It really does help with kind of not having the wig so tangly. So when I'm done, sometimes you will have like a little cast, so I just went in with a little bit of contour, and now I'm just going in with the hot comb, and the wig just came together. It was looking really natural and realistic. I was feeling myself.
I'm finished installing this wig, y'all. I love this wig. This wig is so gorgeous. Let me go go ahead and give you guys some specs. So this wig is from Gorgius Wigs. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. This is a synthetic wig, y'all. Looking like a human hair wig. This is the vintage red, the one brush Stylist wig, which has that premium fiber. So yes, this is a synthetic wig, guys, but this is premium synthetic fibers. So that means we're a little bit upgraded when it comes to the synthetic fibers. Do you see me? Do you see me? You're gonna get a standard kind of lace part in the middle. It comes with a breathable cap. This cap feels really comfortable on my head. You're gonna get two combs, two right here, one in the back. The length is 24 inches. I like this wig. This wig is so soft. I love the fact that this is a synthetic option to that human hair color we've been seeing trending all around. So if you guys wanted to try this color, go synthetic. I keep stressing to you guys that synthetic options are the best way to try a human hair option. If you're a little bit hesitant on that route, try a synthetic wig, see if you like the color, and then get the human hair one. This brown kind of copper color has been trending in the human hair streets, but we got a synthetic wig option. So when Gorgius Wigs reached out and I saw this one, I was like, absolutely, I need that one, because we need options. I know you've seen this color trending because I've been seeing it trending, and I love the fact that this is a synthetic option. We got dupes, okay? We can always do dupes. We can always do dupes. I'm really liking this one. I feel like it's gonna hold up. It is a little bit tangly, but go on with your products, go on with your tools, and you can maintain her. It's a look. This wig is a look. It's a whole look. It's already nighttime. I couldn't finish filming because I was feeling myself so much, because this is a look. Now, I did go in and I plucked this wig just a little bit because I felt like any wig, sometimes you just need to customize it. It is what it is. Synthetic or a human hair, you have to customize some of these wigs. You don't have to go in and do that with this wig, but I felt like for my personal preference, I did want to go in and customize this wig a little bit. If you need help with plucking, check out this video right here. I can go ahead and help you, but I feel like it adds more of a realistic appearance when you go ahead and you add those little touches to the wig. It didn't come with any baby hairs, but I did add some baby hairs, and I loved how this wig curled. I used my Kiss flat iron and the baby hairs curled really nice. Now this wig is long. I'm gonna show you guys the length. This is what it's looking like, and then in the back, this is what it's looking like. I love the fact that the knots on this wig were really thin and it's looking like human hair. It's looking really realistic and natural looking, so I'm loving that. I love the density of this wig. It has a nice weight to it. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, and granted, this wig is starting to tangle on me a little bit, but just like synthetic wigs, y'all know what synthetic wigs do. They tangle. Get your synthetic wig products. Maintain that wig. But I do feel like this wig is going to hold up a little bit longer when you're talking synthetic wigs, because the fibers on this wig are amazing and they feel really soft. They feel really premium. Granted, this is a synthetic wig, so what that means is you're gonna get synthetic expectations. This wig did unfortunately shed on me and it did tangle, but I was able to kind of rewind and bring her back. So I love the fact that I can easily brush out this wig, and the fibers feel like a yucky human hair wig, y'all. It's thick, it's nice, it's yucky. I did not tint this lace on this wig. This lace on this wig is phenomenal. I love how this lace melted in with my skin. After I did install this wig, I did go in and apply a little bit of powder in the parting space and a little bit of powder in the front. But the melt is something real. I love the curls on this wig. I feel like once I go in with a little synthetic wigs shampoo and a little bit of synthetic conditioner, this wig is absolutely going to bounce back. I feel like this wig is going to hold up and it's going to last. And I love the fact that I can curl it after. And if you can't curl it, use some hot rollers. I got a whole reel right here on how to curl a synthetic wig with hot rollers. Check it out. Or even hot water. Check it out right here. If I do have to mention a con, the only con that I do have with this wig is that it is shedding a little bit. It is synthetic. Keep in mind that synthetic wigs do unfortunately shed. It is what it is. They're gonna shed. I did have to go in with my products. I went in with a little synthetic wig spray and a little bit of serum or simply styling spray. Either one is gonna work, but I feel like you do kind of need to go ahead and maintain this wig because you will get a little tangly. You will. It is what it is. But I'm really confident that I can pretty much bring this wig back. I was a little bit hesitant with this color because I was like, I don't know how it's gonna look on me, you know, I'm black. But hands down, if you were trying to try a color, try this wig right here. I will leave links below to where you can purchase this wig. The price of this wig is a little bit more pricier than most synthetic wigs, but you're getting what you pay for, guys. You're paying for a higher quality. You're paying for all of this with this wig, because this is greatness. And I really like her. You get what you pay for, guys. It's gonna last. You just gotta know what to do with the wig when you're done wearing it. I love her. I love her. I love her a lot. I think she's a winner. I really like her. I've been gushing since I put this wig on. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop some comments down below. Would you rock this color, or, you know, were you thinking about this color? And if you were, you have a synthetic option to play with. Thanks again to Gorgius Wigs for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate you guys. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.